Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Everything RVs and More. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a topic that every nature enthusiast and RVer should be prepared for: extreme weather camping. Whether it's rain, snow, or a scorching sun, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to ensure your RV experience remains unforgettable, no matter the elements. Section 1. Assessing your RV's readiness. Before you embark on your extreme weather journey, let's make sure your RV is up for the challenge. Check your tires, brakes, and make sure all seals and windows are in top-notch condition. A well-prepared RV is your first line of defense against the elements. Section 2. Gear up for the cold. For those frosty adventures, it's all about staying warm. We'll talk about the best heating options for your RV, insulating tips, and the must-have gear that will keep you cozy even when it's freezing outside. Don't let winter put a chill on your travel plans. Best heating options. Picture this. You're nestled in your RV, surrounded by a winter wonderland. To keep that fantasy cozy and not frosty, consider these heating options. 1. Propane heaters. Efficient and widely used in RVs. Ensure proper ventilation for safety. 2. Electric heaters. Ideal for campsites with electricity. Opt for energy-efficient models with safety features. 3. Wood pellet stoves. Adds a touch of tradition. Requires installation but offers sustainable heating. Insulating tips. 1. Window insulation. Upgrade to thermal curtains or insulating film. Draft stoppers for windows and doors. 2. Underbelly insulation. Protect vital parts with specialized underbelly insulation. 3. Skirting. Create a barrier around your RV. Keeps cold winds out and preserves heat. 4. Weather stripping. Seal gaps with weather stripping. Regularly check and replace for a tight seal. Must-have gear. 1. Cold weather sleeping bags. Choose temperature-rated bags for the coldest nights. 2. Thermal blankets. Extra warmth for chilly evenings. 3. Vent covers. Keep warm air in and cold air out. 4. Heated mattress pads. No more chilly beds. 5. Portable radiant heaters. Spot heating for specific areas. Section 3. Rainy day RV hacks. When the rain starts pouring, it's time to get creative. Learn how to waterproof your RV. Discover ingenious storage solutions to keep everything dry, and find out which rain gear should be on your packing list. A little rain won't dampen your spirit with these tips. Rainproofing techniques. 1. Silicone sealant. Regularly check and reseal seams and joints. 2. RV roof coating. Extra protection for your RV's roof. 3. Slide topper awnings. Prevent water from pooling on slide-outs. 4. Gutter extensions. Direct rainwater away from your RV. Nifty storage solutions. 1. Hanging organizers. Utilize vertical space for wet items. 2. Waterproof bins. Keep essentials dry and easily transportable. 3. Shoe trays. Avoid muddy footprints inside. 4. Drying racks. Air out wet clothes and gear. Essential gear for rainy days. 1. Quality rain gear. Waterproof jackets, pants, and footwear. 2. Quick dry towels. Super absorbent towels for drying off. 3. Indoor entertainment. Board games, books, or movies for a cozy indoor retreat. 4. Umbrellas and pop-up canopies. Keep the fun going even in light rain. Section 4. Beating the heat. Now, for those scorching hot days, we've got strategies to beat the heat. From choosing the right campsite to the best cooling systems for your RV, we'll make sure you stay cool, calm, and collected under the blazing sun. Summer camping essentials. 1. RV vent fans. Maximize airflow for a cool interior. 2. Reflective window covers. Block out the sun and reduce heat inside. 3. Portable fans. Strategically place fans for targeted cooling. 4. Awning shades. Create shaded outdoor areas. Choosing the right campsite. 1. Tree coverage. Look for campsites with ample tree coverage. 2. Elevation. Explore higher elevations for cooler temperatures. 3. North-facing orientation. Position your RV to minimize direct sunlight. Section 5. Emergency preparedness, safety first. No extreme weather adventure is complete without a solid emergency plan. We'll discuss essential items for your emergency kit, safety precautions, and what to do in case Mother Nature throws you a curveball. Essential items for your emergency kit. 1. First aid supplies. A comprehensive kit for minor injuries. 2. Emergency tools. Multi-tool, flashlight, and duct tape for unexpected repairs. 3. Communication devices. Stay connected with a reliable cell phone or emergency radio. 4. Emergency food and water. Non-perishable food and ample water supplies. 5. Emergency documents. Copies of important documents for peace of mind. Conclusion. And there you have it, your guide to conquering every element in your RV. From chilly winters to rainy days and summer heat, you're equipped with the knowledge and gear to make every adventure memorable. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more RV wisdom, and join us on our next expedition. Until then, embrace the elements, stay safe, and keep those wheels turning. Happy trails!